Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to install the Access and Connectivity Hub. First off, you will need a Java JVM. I'm using OpenJDK because it's free and no licensing restrictions. And then you will need the hub from the Rocket community portal. I'm using an 8.5.5 release. Basically anything 8.5.5 or above is perfectly fine. Once you've installed your Java JDK, then go ahead and install this setup program for the Rocket Access and Connectivity Hub. You'll be presented with the welcome page and press next and accept the license user agreement. Check the options for the file-based authenticator and the example database. What this will basically do, your users will be stored in a file-based database used by Derby. For production, you probably want to be using something like SQL Server, DB2 or MySQL, which is supported by the Access and Connectivity Hub. But certainly for practice purposes, please use the file-based authenticator. So you'll be warned that these are non-production features, as I've just explained to you. Point to the Java JVM that you've installed, and then press next. The Access and Connectivity Hub will need a system administrator, so set yourself a password. The username for the system administrator is sysadmin. Press next. As you can see, the hub is using Tomcat. Specify a Tomcat password. Finally press install and the installation process will commence. Once the installation completed, select the checkbox to open the hub. The hub will take a couple of minutes to initialize, and once initialized, you will get a sign-on page. Using the sysadmin username, you can log in with the password that you set. The important tab we're looking at today is the database tab. You can see that we are using the Derby database. If you look at the licenses tab, if you want to centrally administrate your Lego Suite and Rocket API licenses, you can add your licenses here. When you install the web engine and Rocket API gateway, you can then specify to use the licenses from the hub itself. If you want to centrally administrate your licenses, you will need to contact customer support and ask for a new license code. You can then request a new license through this feature here. The benefit of central licensing is if you have multiple environments and web engines, you can just license once rather than worrying about licenses for different machines. Speak to customer support for more information. So this concludes this video. Thank you very much for your time.